Make a great choice today with the 2025 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.